Hello YouTube. I'll show you this project that I'm about to undertake. And it is in fact to build a garage on the back of my house. You see this pole? I sit in the back wall and that's going onto the lane, and this is 14 foot, which is going to be the length of the garage. So I got to build a retaining wall along here. All this bare. I've moved all this forward, which is the old fence which was bare. All this is temporary, just to keep critters out and Alfin. That over there is the back wall. Which is 14 foot. So the trench, very bare. I'm going to do a weekly vlog, and every Sunday most probably show you the progress. It's going to be a big old job. I'm going to do it all myself. So that's the task in hand. Thanks for watching.